Yep, we're going.
Hi there, I'm Dan with Interplant Sales. I'm going to run a Brown & Sharpe 814 Universal grinder here. Universal means the workhead here will swivel. The grinding head will swivel.
Get out of the shadow.
Table swivels down here. The work light on it comes with little steady rests. It comes with some extra grinding hubs down here. About at least 6-7 of them. Set the machine here up and run it. With the different speeds in the table here. Workhead's got different speeds with a step pulley system. Step pulley on here can change the speeds. Start it up here. Machine can be ran manually or automatic. Controls turns the spindle on and off here and starts the table. Manual in and out on the head. It's way backed off right now. High and low and 3 speeds here. It's in fast speed right now. I'll change it to slow. There's slow speed. Got a quick release head on here. About it. Looks like a good running machine. You have any questions, give us a call.